Good day, everyone. My name is Ezra Manuel G. Cantero from VIT 1-56, and this is my partner is Kerming Lana from VIT 1-56 Set A. And our tackle for today is all about positive effects on social media user. Supporting idea 1, communication. Better understanding the way you communicate with those who live far from you can be altered by social media. The criticality of developing stronger communication and fostering meaningful connections with individuals who live at the distance. Who live at the distance. 2. Enhance learning. With a rise of online education, they can join only study groups, access educational videos. Uh, the supporting idea too is all about creativity, showcase their talents. With platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, students can share their arts, music and other skills. To his online learning, studies have shown that course organization and structure, student engagement, learner interaction, and instructor presence have accounted for considerable variance in student satisfaction and perceived learning in online learning environments through a range of pathways. Although the research to date tested the mediational relationship identity.